Hello and welcome to Trinity Stamps. Today we're taking a close-up look at the coffee cut and foil die set. This set is a 15-piece set that die cuts, has shadow dies, and can be used for hot foiling or letterpress. These are the hot foil plates. You can see they are raised up images. You'll use those with a hot foil machine, and you can also letterpress with them. There are coordinating dies that are going to cut out those hot foiled images or the other dies in this set. So you can die cut the word coffee and have a shadow behind it, or you can die cut your hot foiled coffee and have a shadow behind it. So let's take a look at how this works. I'll show you the hot foiling first in case you've never seen hot foiling done before. I cut a piece of foil, put it pretty side up onto my cardstock, and I'm putting my plate down onto that. I'm putting the whole thing face down onto my Glimmer hot foiling system, and then I put the pads on top and press the timer. Once the timer went off, then I run it through my die cut machine. The heat and the pressure of the die cut machine have transferred that image and pressed it into the paper with that beautiful foil, which is Aura speckled foil from Spellbinders. Now I am doing the same thing with the word coffee, so you can see this done one more time and see how it looks on different colors of cardstock. So there's the word coffee, beautiful, and there are dies that will cut out this cup, cut out the word coffee, and cut out the coffee beans as well as the heart. So lots of choices with this set where you can mix and match die cutting with hot foiling. You could put this right on the heart and cut out the hot foiled heart, or you could use the die by itself, and you can see that shadow die for the word coffee fits right around that hot foiled image perfectly. You can hot foil some coffee beans as well, and then you can use these shadow dies to cut them out, or you could just die cut coffee beans as well. So again, lots of choices with this set. Now let's take a look at the card I made putting all those pieces together. I paper pieced that coffee together using different hot foiled coffee cups that were done on different colors of cardstock. There you can see the die cut and hot foiled coffee and the coffee beans. I think it's so fun to hot foil with this, but again, if you're not a hot foiler, you can definitely do a letterpress look by running this through your die machine with an embossing pad. And here's another card done by Von Marie from our design team. I love how she used a stencil on those coffee cups as well. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching. If you would like more inspiration, you can find Trinity Stamps on Instagram and Facebook too. Happy stamping! Bye!